Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to configure timesheet in your app. In this tutorial we will explain how to configure timesheet in your app. Timesheet is for tracking employees' working hours. Business can use timesheet to record their employees' login and logout time, thus allowing them to easily calculate hourly wages without hassle. You need to add Sheets page into your app for integrating timesheet as it is part of Sheets page. Click on Timesheet to add it into your app. If you want, you can change its name and or icon. Now click on Configure Timesheet button. You will be redirected to Users section. As you can see, there's one more column, Hourly Wages, added into Users table. You can now also see a new tab, Timesheet, which we will discuss later in this tutorial. So whenever you register a new employee, you need to provide its hourly wages. If you want, you can export users lists into Excel and CSV format. Under Timesheet, you can see all the logs. Let's see how to calculate hourly wages of users. As you have already added timesheet page in your app, so once you register any employee, it will ask you to provide hourly wages. If you don't provide hourly wages, you can only get employees login and logout time. If you have already added employees, then you need to edit employees' details and provide his or her hourly wages. If you want, you can export user data into CSV or Excel format. Under Timesheet tab, you will get the insight of time logs of each employee. Under Settings section, you will see one more setting, Timesheet setting. From here, you can choose currency code in which hourly wages will be calculated of all your employees. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.